Welcome back to our channel. We are Helen and John's Adventures, and you may wonder why we're sat at the bottom of our garden on some deck chairs with a big box.
I'm wondering why.
Oh, well, I know. So why are we sat here today?
I'm sat here to laugh at you.
We're sat here today as our friends at Reactive Outdoor have sent us their two-step extra large cabin tent to try out. We are going to the Le Mans 24-hour in a few weeks, and that means camping in a big field for a week. So we're thinking this will be very useful. But before we go, because we'll be camping in a field, we want to try it out in the garden.
Kind of need to make sure we know how to drive it, really.
It would be a bit embarrassing to turn up and not know what we were doing. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is the Reactive Outdoor two-step extra large cabin tent.
And how many people does an extra large cabin tent sleep?
Apparently it will sleep up to 10 people. Let's see.
Before you get it out, I can guarantee you one thing. You're never going to get it back in that box.
We will see. I might not need to be able to get it out without some help.
Didn't need me.
I'm a woman. We don't always need a man.
Cool colour. Look, it's designed for you. It's got handles you can put over your shoulders.
Oh, you can actually. Yeah, look, you can carry it around. And it's got what looks like a super big bag. So when you don't fold it back nearly as small as it is now, you'll be able to get it in. Look. Free tent patch repair.
That sounds like tent pegs to me.
That sounds like tent pegs to me. Instructions, so you won't forget your instruction book.
Excellent.
Peg the four corners before inflating. When the air pump stops, lift the air beams. Oh, and look, it's got sewn in instructions, because we all know men throw instructions away and then they want them. So, step one, unclip the clips. May I have your assistance?
You seem to be doing quite well on your own.
In this tub, as well as the free patch repair kit, is a little air pump. So we're just going to go and make sure it's charged up, and then we can blow up the tent. We're going to peg it out first, but I've got my frock on. So John, I need your assistance.
Coming. I have pegs. Wow, look at these. This is such heavy duty cornering. You're closer to the camera. That is really impressive. Now, that wasn't what I was expecting.
Oh, that's great.
Right.
Come on. Chop, chop.
I'm chopping. I'm just chopping slowly. One for that corner, one for that corner, one for that corner, and one for this corner.
We've pegged the four corners to the ground loosely, and we have made sure the tent is pulled snug but not overly tight. So the next bit is the tent has two valves, a white one and a red one. Well, I can see a red one there.
Here's a red one.
And it says they are diagonally opposite.
Well, that would be about right then.
Here it is. So we need to do them up, otherwise the air's just going to come straight out.
Doing up the red valve.
Doing up white valve.
Red valve done and put in its little case that says valve.
White valve. Done. That was easy. Once sealed, ensure the fabric sleeve fully covers the valve. Done. Install the battery and turn it on. So this is a little battery, and this is rechargeable. And you put it in, so the arrow is pointing up, and it just clicks in. And then you turn it on. If for any reason you want to stop mid-inflation, then you can press the button if you want to readjust where it is, and then just press it again to get it going again. So the pump has stopped automatically, and now we just need to give it some assistance to unfold it. Woo!
Wow. Boom.
Boom. It comes with these guy ropes already attached and in position. So all we need to do is put some more tent pegs in and make it secure. It looks
It's a good size, isn't it?
enormous. And the other thing we need to do now that we've got the tent up is make sure that this is stuck down properly, because that protects it, the valves, from the element. And what it also has is it has a release valve, so that if the weather gets really hot and the air expands, it will automatically release some of the air in the tubes so it doesn't all go bang.
That's really clever.
Would you like to come into my new home?
Absolutely.
Nice big doorway.
Huge.
Ah, look, and we can roll it back, and there's a little toggle. Entree.
Wow. This is enormous.
So you can see there's a door at each end, so if it's hot, you can have air flowing through. We've got mesh windows, so no bugs. Sits up.
I like the vents at the bottom. That's
We've got
really
vents
cool.
at the bottom, so we pegged those out in a little pocket. These are the tubes, and they are properly fully inflated. Oh! And a hook for your light. There are air vents at the top here. It's big.
It is
I think it'd be a bit
huge, isn't
snug with 10 of you in it, but...
it? Perfect size for two.
or 4, or 6.
I'll tell you what else you could do with it. If you've got one of those inflatable chairs and inflatable sofas, you could turn it into a lounge.
You could, and make all your 9 friends sleep outside.
Yeah, perfect idea. I'm just giving a close-up on these air beams. I mean, they are proper solid. Look, I can't squish them. But what's really important is that this massive, this really heavy denier fabric. Such quality, so much better than I expected.
Do you see my fingers?
I can see your fingers.
That's a little protected hole, so you can run your power in there.
Oh, that's really clever.
It's got a little...
It's got an input.
A power plug hole.
For the power. How cool is that?
So the only flaw in the plan that we found so far is that the roof vents you do from the outside. And actually, if we'd done it before we popped it all up, that would have been really easy, because you lift them and you put the bit of Velcro there. But I'm not that tall.
Go on, give it a try. Yeah, that's not going to happen, is it?
So if you want the vents up, you need to do it before you pop the tent up. There's so much ventilation, it's not the end of the world. But maybe, now that we know it, we will do a step before step number 7.
Exactly. So we're going to try this at Le Mans, as we've said, and we'll pop the vents up before we put the tent up, and then see how it goes, and see if we can get them down without taking a stepladder with us.
These instructions have been very useful.
So now we've had a proper look at it. What are your thoughts?
It's big. I mean, look, we're sat in here and there's loads of room.
If it was 2 people, because we are 2 people, you could quite easily have your bed and your chairs in there. So if the weather's not brilliant, you've got plenty of space.
A whole apartment. Oh, I'm loving that idea. Definitely.
But, no, without doubt, though, there's space for chairs and sleeping area and things like that, and plenty of space for your bags and clothes. And
I think you could comfortably sleep 6 people. I think it says it's 10 man, and tents always say they're for more people than they are, because they're for people lying. But I think with your lilos or your air beds and things, I think you could comfortably sleep 6.
You could certainly sleep 6, yes.
These big vents and the fact that you can open it all up just makes it really airy.
It is, and I really like this throughput of a door each end.
Yes.
It's really clever, that, and the breeze that you can get through is really impressive. And we all know that when it's really sunny, a tent isn't always the nicest place to be because it can be so hot.
No.
There's so many air vents and the double doors. There no way on earth this is going to turn into an oven.
No, this is great. So we will take it to Le Mans. We will try it out. We will film trying it out. So watch for the next instalment.
The next thing we're going to show you is how to pack it all away. And remember, I'm betting that we'll never get it back in that box.
We won't get it back in the box, but we'll get it back in the bag.
You'll find out in any second. Don't go away.
And the first thing we do is remove the pegs and the battery, and then we take the valves out. Let's do it.
The observant of you will notice we are in a different location and wearing something different. We filmed our wrap up yesterday and went to edit it and realised we'd filmed it in time lapse. Nice going, John. Well done.
Editor mistake.
Yeah. So anyway, we took the bet at the start whether we could get it back into the bag, and clearly we did.
Really easily.
Incredibly easy. The bag's brilliant, to be fair. It's plenty of space. It's well designed for idiots like us who can't get tents back into the bag. It just rolls in super easy. It's got these really good carrying handles which are long enough for you to put it on your shoulders as well when you're walking, so that's another real good positive. We're getting ready to take it to Le Mans next week. We'll be using it probably multi-purpose. Actually, it'll probably be a bedroom and an office, I would have thought.
It depends who gets there first, whether our son gets there first to use it as a tent or whether I get there first to use it as an office.
Exactly. So we're going to put it through an awful lot of testing next week, and we will bring you a video of that in a few weeks' time to see as well. So stick with us. You'll see how well this works for us at one of the biggest sporting events of the year. So thank you very much. As usual, if you've made it to the end,
subscribe,
comments,
write a comment, ask any questions. Let
we'll
us know
see
what
you
you think.
in the next vlog.
All
Thanks,
right.
guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.